Investigators now say a Davenport police officer was justified when he shot and killed a man back in October.
The Scott County attorney announced that conclusion this morning. It's the top story at 6 o'clock. Iowa's Division of Criminal Investigation put together a report on the death of 37-year-old Bobby Clum. A Davenport police officer shot and killed him on October 13th near the intersection of Iowa and 9th Streets.
Clum's death coming not long after police tried to arrest him on a sex offender registration violation. It led to Clum walking a neighborhood with a gun to his head until the officer fired that deadly shot. Local 4's Matt Holderman has reaction tonight from the Scott County attorney and also Clum's widowed wife.
2 months after the officer-involved shooting that resulted in the death of 37-year-old Bobby Clum, investigators have come to a conclusion.
It was reasonable for Officer Roth to shoot Clum to prevent that injury or death to others.
They say Davenport police officer Mason Roth was justified in shooting Clum because he posed a threat to the public.
The intentional actions by Clum created the appearance that the lives and physical safety of numerous people were in immediate danger.
It all started with another officer going to Clum's house with a warrant for his arrest. Clum was wanted for sex offender registry violation.
When Clum faced Officer Moody, he had a gun to his head.
Clum ran away holding a gun to his head as he wandered through a neighborhood. Police later discovered it was an airsoft gun. When he got near people on Iowa Street, police first shot him with a less lethal 40mm. But when that didn't stop him, Officer Roth fired his AR-15.
Mr. Clum died from that gunshot.
Investigators stand by their conclusion that police were justified, but Clum's wife, Nicole, thinks otherwise.
They had no reason to do that, just because he had a BB gun to his temple.
She now threatens legal action.
I am going to sue everybody. That was not right of them to do that.
And continues to mourn the loss of her husband.
I'm struggling from day to day. I miss him.
In Davenport, Matt Holderman, Local 4 News.
Nicole goes on to say that she was not made aware of the legal conclusion before it was made public.